Hey, so here is Past Keyboard. So this is one of the top apps recently in the App Store and the top apps in utilities category as well. So what's the idea behind it? So basically it's super easy app to uh, basically create some text copies and then just use them super quickly either on email, in messenger apps, on social media and stuff like that. So yeah, let's try to install it. So you just get this app. It's a free app. It's 73 megabytes, so you can easily download it. Then after you installed it, you need to go to the settings app and find keyboards, add new keyboard, and then just tap Past Keyboard. You can allow full access. Maybe you don't need that. Okay, so let's try now to write something. Now I have here this Past Keyboard, and here is the backup option, the copy option, which I saved in the keyboard. So for example, I can just add something like this, for example. And then the idea is when I switch to this keyboard, I can just easily copy this text. So this is how the keyboard on iOS works. And if you're using similar phrases all the time, this is the idea behind it. Yeah. Then you have also some backup options. You can backup data. You need to create an account. To create an account, probably you need to use like Google Sign In here, and then just sign in with your Google account. If you want to remove ads, that's like $299. There's also some guide here on their support center and Notion, so everything is explained here. If you have any additional questions, you can contact the developer at tmcaeapp@gmail.com. You can also send mail to developer, and that's it. So super simple app, and then yeah, you can delete all your phrases, you can edit them, you can add new, and that's how it works. Of course, I think you can add emojis. So yeah, basically, okay, you get the idea, and then you can use it either in Messenger, in emails, in all of that. So this I just created example of short text, but imagine you're sending some like applications or work applications or something like that, and you can save the whole paragraphs, like 10 sentences or something, which are pretty similar all the time. Maybe two characters are different. So yeah, this is the best way to just have that text saved in the keyboard app, and instead of like saving in the notes and going and copy pasting all the time, just having that in the this keyboard app. So hope this quick overview was helpful, guys. Now you can be more productive on iPhone. Yeah, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 50,000 subscribers, so every new subscriber is highly appreciated and gives massive plus to your karma. And also you can visit my website mrhack.io to find different tutorials about cool apps and software. See you!